Hi, my name is Laimonas and I'm going to show how to edit database records. So I'm using same database as in previous tutorial. If you want to get more details about it, just watch it. So what's more, I have here index PHP and update PHP documents. So update PHP documents only connects to our server, checks or hears no errors, and selects our database. And after that disconnects from it. So right now here's no code, we will use it. So I will edit it and show it to you later. Index PHP file connects to server, checks for errors and selects database. After that he selects all data from users table and print it on browser. So it prints like ID, space symbol, first name and break row command. So it looks like that. So we getting all data, and now we need to add here link like in previous tutorial where we deleted entries from database. So aref equals to question mark update equals to row ID. So it means after I click on his edit link, I'm gonna see in address bar his update and equals to current record ID. So let's check it how it looks, and it looks right now like this. So we getting all his links, and after I click for example on Sandra 5th record, we will see update record. So after that we need to go to first part of the code and write if condition sentence like if is set our get variable update. So this is here, so update, and here gonna be his code. If we clicked on any of his links and here is update equals to something, he will run code between his, and if not he just skip his part. So right now we need the same code like his one, just we will need a different output and MySQL query. So this is the first part, which one will be run every time we open his document, and his part will be run only if we click it on any of his links and update variable is defined as something. So how we need to change his part? So it is like we have to change result. So select from users. We don't need all users in this part, in first part. We need just user which one ID is equals to 7. So we need to write where ID equals to get variable and update. So update like this. So after that he takes only his value update. So we can change break row to hr. So line it looks like like this. So when we choose for example second, he will show here second. If we choose first one, he will show us first one. It depends on our ID. So after that we need to change it to for example form. So we're gonna delete his part and write here echo form action equals to update document, update PHP question mark and update variable get variable equals to our current update variable. So update and method equals to post. After that we will print in our form row ID, so ID which one we editing, and input box. input box type equals to text, name equals to first name, and value equals to our variable from database where we're getting current record by his variable. So row first name. So he will fill our input box with name currently selected. I will show it how it works right now. And input type equals to submit. So we need button, and we need to close form and close output function. So how it looks right now, if we click on any of his names, he will gives us a form like which record is editing, and here he will fill record name. After we click submit, he sends us to update PHP file like this. You see update PHP and shows which record we want to update. So right now we need to go to his document and write if is set our post variable first name, post first name. We're gonna do all his part. Our first name is in our his input type text box, which one is name first name. So we're using his first name by post method inside his document because when we click submit button, he will send us to update PHP file. So here, so if we get his first name post variable, we're gonna do his part of code. So we'll need to add here a MySQL query which one actually updates our entry. So we need to write MySQL query and our MySQL command. So update users, this is our table, which one we want to update. After that, set first name, this is column, which one is in that in our database. So in his table, his column will be updated by our post variable. So post first name. So we're gonna update our first name value with his one, and we need to show which record exactly we want to change. So where id equals to his variable update equals to 4. So get update. So here gonna update record which one's id is equals to our get variable from address bar exactly here after submitting our form. So and he will update first name field with value which one will be written in our input box. So after that we want to see message have record updated, for example, and href equals to index PHP. It was back, so to get back to index PHP file. So let's check it how it works. So right now we have document with, for example, John, and we want to change it to, for example, Jane. So we're submitting and record updated. It should be has been updated. So let's check where it's changed. Yes, it's changed. It's Jane right now. Let's try to change Jane back to Jack. Oh, it was John. Back to John. So we click submit and he says record updated. So let's check, and you see it's John. So thank you for watching. Please click subscribe. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer them, and see you.